Assalamu alaikum everyone, you're watching our live feed and today we're gonna review Boya wireless microphone BYMW3. By the way, I ordered them from Daraz almost 1 year ago and I'm reviewing them now and in this video I'm also gonna show you how to connect them to your Android and your iPhone. Now let's open it up. Actually, I really wanted to buy a mic for my videos to have a clear voice. Very nice packaging, as you can see. Let's take it out. And ooh, it is a cute little box. And yeah, it has two mics because I wanted two mics so we can do some kind of podcast also if we wanted to. Here it says Boya wireless microphone and it says it can do live show, vlog, short video and interview. Okay, it support 1 or 2 use. It has a portable wire for charging. You can connect this wire to any kind of adapter, charging adapter you have. This is the receiver in the middle and there are two mics with the clips attached. And let me take it out. It's a bit difficult to take them out at first, so let me show you this. This is an iPhone receiver, so you should connect this to the receiver so it can connect your iPhone. I'll show you at the last. And I think there is something problem with these mics, they're not coming out. Leave it anyway. Okay, I'm gonna show you this wire now, and the box is also really cute. Okay, let's take it out. And yeah, this is a cute little wire that you can attach to your adapter. And with so many efforts, I have taken out this mic. As you can see, it has a clip attached to it. You can attach this clip to your shirt or your collar, so you don't have to grab it. And this is the receiver. Okay, it will get directly connected into your phone. And this is the second mic, exactly same the one I showed you before. Okay, and you can connect these both at the same time also. And in the last we've got this instruction paper in which it has written how to use and how to connect this mic, but I'm going to tell you by myself at the end of the video, so stay connected. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment and follow for more. Now here's an iPhone and I'll show you how to connect. Okay, so there is a tiny receiver they have given you in the box, this one. You'll take it out and you'll connect this at the charging slot on your iPhone. Okay, like this. Yes, very slowly. And then you'll attach the receiver into this, just like this. Okay, yeah, and as soon as you'll connect this, a notification will pop up on your screen saying that your mic has been connected. You don't have to do anything or you don't have to open any sort of application or something. It will just connect directly. Open the button given on this mic. Okay, give it a long press and then you'll see the light of the mic will open, and the light on this receiver will also be open as soon as you plug in it. And yes, it's successfully connected. Now let's come for an Android phone. Okay, the application is same, you just don't have to connect that iPhone receiver on the Android phone. Okay, take out this mic, alright, and the receiver. Okay, now we'll connect the receiver into the charging slot as we've done before. Okay, and a light will also pop up on this receiver as soon as we'll connect, just like we've done before. Okay, now yes, like this, connect it. If you have used some better mic, tell in the comments. Now after that, give your mic a long press so it will start working, and a light will pop up at your mic as soon as it will be connected at here. Okay, a green light will on. At first the light can be red and green, red and green. That means the mic is on but not connected. But when the light will be green like this, it means that now your mic is connected and you can use. Here, if you can see, there will be a green light on receiver and on mic too. That means both are successfully connected and you can use them to record or do anything. And now for the final review of this mic, the voice you've been hearing in this video is recorded by this mic, and I can say that this mic is a 10 on 10 and highly recommended. If you want to know what's in that Daraz box, then you have to wait for my next video. Till then, bye bye.